Hey guys, here's a look at 7.2, number 42, I think is what it is, or similar to the one that you're seeing on your MyMathLab. And this is it's kind of tough to see. It's an arctangent problem. Maybe you did something different with it, but this is a form of factoring you may not have looked at before. One of the forms of arctangent, the integral of something that is where the antiderivative is arctangent, is this 1 over a squared plus u squared. We've always dealt with 1 over 1 plus x squared, but 1 over some other number plus x squared is where you get into the arctangent antiderivatives that we need to know. So this will be a great introduction to that. You probably figured it out looking at some videos or wondered what that was all about. But if I take a 16 out of the denominator, factor out 16, divide each of these terms by 16, this is what I get, 7/16 then out front, and then 9/16 plus t squared. That first term before the plus t squared, that's got to be a perfect square, usually, to make this work. If not, well, you can make it work with doing a square root, but usually it works out that's most efficient. So 9/16 works plus t squared. And here is the antiderivative, the general form of it. If you have an integral of 1 over a squared plus u squared, where a is some constant, here's the antiderivative, 1 over a out front, arctangent u over a, voila. We're going to use that. Our a is radical, the square root of 9/16, since we see 9/16 in there. That first number represents a squared. Excuse me. So we had a square root to get a, and our u is t. So if we do that, then we can use this formula down below to the right and do 1 over our a, arctangent t over our a, all plus c. And then it's just fraction work after that, and some radicals. So 7/16, the 1 over radical 9/16 is actually multiplying by 4/3. Excuse me, a little bit of a cough kicking in. Arctangent, and then you can divide by 3/4, which is actually multiplying by 4/3, and voila. One more step, multiply those fractions, 7/12 arctangent 4/3 t plus c. Big key is you got to know this antiderivative in the middle. And that's for number 2, I believe, on your homework. Hope that helps.